What's up guys, IWrocker here, and today we got a really informative video for you guys. I'm gonna keep it as quick and straight to the point as I can and make it as easy as I can to instruct you in this video. So we're talking about the MDS system, the multi-displacement system found on pretty much all Hemi Rams. If you have a newer, especially like a 4th gen Ram with the Hemi, you most likely have MDS. And what it is it basically shuts down 2 cylinders on each bank of the engine. And so you go from 8 down to 4 under light loads and cruising and stuff like that. It kicks all 8 back in when you give it more gas or go up a hill. So reasons you may want to disable your MDS is if you have aftermarket exhaust, people don't really like the sound. You can hear it going between 8 and 4. It sounds kind of goofy. I have a sound clip of what mine sounds like right here. So some people don't like that. And another reason would be quicker and better just drivability. With all 8 on, you have all 8 always there. So downshifts are a little quicker and throttle response just feels better. Also, some people claim that they've had durability problems with the MDS. So if you want to ensure durability and good working order of the Hemi, which is a good engine, then maybe you want to have MDS off as much as possible. So let's get to it. I will explain the 2 ways that I know of that you can disable MDS. The first has to be with these plus and minus on your shifter. So this is a Ram 2500 Power Wagon with the 6.4 liter Hemi. It's a 2015. So most of the HDs have column shifters here, and your plus and minus is going to be key, which I will explain, as well as your tow haul button right here. Okay, those are 2 separate ways of turning it off, and I will explain further. If you have a 1500, your plus and minus is going to be right here on the steering wheel because they have that goofy rotary shifter up there. So I will show you in the next clip. Down here in the corner, it's going to have a green eco light, and if you don't know how that light comes on, you just go to controls, settings, display, and fuel saver display and cluster. Let's get to it. Alright, so obviously under hard acceleration it's not going to do it. But see, when I let off the throttle, eco mode comes on. So you can see right there. I'm going to show you right now the first way to get that off. Okay, so you see it's on. We're going to go ahead and hit our plus minus here. I'm going to hit minus to pull up the shift numbers there. Plus, we have the white and the gray number. The white number, the 6, is basically they're telling it what gear to top out at. So if I have that set to 4 or 3, it won't shift past 3. If I have it set to 4, it won't shift past 4. I have it set to 6, as this is a 6-speed transmission. And the gray number is the actual gear you're in at that time. So you can see it shifting through the gears. And what you're going to notice is here we're on downhill, I let off. Eco mode would come on normally. As you can see, it is not coming on. That's no throttle. Should be on, and it's not on. As you can see, it's not on. Our throttle response is real quick. You gotta forgive me, these roads are absolutely horseshit around here. Illinois sucks, you guys probably know that. So yeah, 6th gear, this would for sure be eco mode normally, and it is indeed not coming on. So we have all 8, no MDSs on. You hold the plus button until it disappears. And now we're in regular drive. And as you can see, eco is back on. Okay, now second is tow haul, so we're gonna hit it. Tow haul mode active. As you can see, eco mode has come off immediately. And I'm at cruising speed and it's still not in eco. If I let off, still not in eco. I've seen some people say that with tow haul, the eco still comes on. In my case, that's definitely not true. Not come on whatsoever with tow haul mode. Think of tow haul mode in this when you're not towing as kind of like a sport mode. It downshifts kind of on its own when you're coming up to a stop sign. It holds gears longer and just seems a little bit more peppy here at like 55. Again, no eco mode. It's not coming on. Certainly hope you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Leave a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe as there's a lot more to come. Browse the channel if you're new. There's a lot of how-tos, truck news, and most of all off-roading with this power wagon here. And as always guys, I'll catch you later.